Dear children, now we are going to solve some problems related to critical angle and refractive index. You know the critical angle, the angle of incidence at which the light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So the refracted ray grazes on interface. Then the angle formed in denser medium is called as critical angle. Right? You know the total internal reflection. If the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, that light ray is reflected into same medium, means that light ray is sent back into denser medium when light travel from denser to rarer. Right? So you know what are the conditions of total internal reflection? Always the light ray travel from denser medium to rarer medium. And second one is the angle of incidence is always greater than critical angle. So these are the conditions of total internal reflection. Right? See here, the given statement is the absolute refractive index of water is 4/3. So what is the critical angle? Here the light ray traveling from water to air, denser medium to rarer medium. Now this is incident, so the refracted ray grazes on interface. Now we want to find the critical angle of water. Right? You know what is the relation between refractive index and critical angle? That is n equal to 1 by sin c, or sin c equal to 1 by n. Here n value is given, that is 4/3. Right? Then sin c equal to 1 by 4/3. So sin c equal to 3/4. So that is 0.75. So what is that? Sin c. Then c equal to sin inverse. So 0.75. So that value is 48.5 degrees. From trigonometrical table, so we get this value, that is 48.5. Now the critical angle of water is 48.5. Next, another statement. So determine the refractive index of benzene if the critical angle is 42 degrees. See here, so critical angle is given, so that is 42 degrees. So the light ray travel from denser medium to rarer. So here denser medium is benzene, rarer medium is air. So the light travel from denser to rarer, so the refracted ray grazes on interface. Then the angle formed in denser medium is critical angle. So the critical angle is given, so that is 42 degrees. Right? Now we can find the refractive index of benzene. So benzene refractive index, you know the formula, n equal to 1 by sin c. So then n equal to 1 by sin, so 42 degrees. So 1 by sin 42 degrees from trigonometrical tables. So that value is 0.6691. Now it is written as 10,000 by 6691. So approximately we get 1.51. Now the refractive index of the benzene is 1.51. You know the refractive index has no unit. Next problem. Absolute refractive index of a material is √2. Then its critical angle is. Here refractive index of the material is given. So that is √2. Now we can find the critical angle. You know n equal to 1 by sin c. Then sin c equal to 1 by n. Here n value is given. So sin c equal to 1 by √2. C equal to 45 degrees. You know sin 45, 1 by √2. Now the critical angle of that medium is 45 degrees. Next problem. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 2. Then the critical angle of glass air interface is. So here refractive index is given. N is 2. Now the critical angle, same formula, N equal to 1 by sin C. Then sin C equal to 1 by N. Sin C equal to 1 by 2. C is 30 degrees. So sin 30 degrees, 1 by 2. So the critical angle of that medium is 30 degrees. Next problem. The critical angle of two different media are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. So the ratio of refractive indices in the two media. Now we want to find the ratio of refractive index of two medias. Here critical angle of two medias are given. So C1 is 45 degrees, C2 is 60 degrees. Now we can find the ratio of refractive index. N1 is to N2. You know the formula, N equal to 1 by sin C. So the relation between refractive index and critical angle is inversely proportional. Then N1 by N2 equal to sin C2 by sin C1. Sin C2 is 60 degrees by sin C1 is 45 degrees. So sin 60, that is root 3 by 2 by sin 45, 1 by root 2. Now it is written as root 3 by 2 into root 2 by 1. So reciprocal. Now root 3 by 2 is written as root 2 into root 2 into root 2 by 1. So root 2 get cancelled. Now we get root 3 by root 2. So therefore the ratio of refractive index of two media, N1 is to N2 equal to root 3 is to root 2. So this is the ratio of refractive indices of two media. Root 3 is to root 2. Next problem. The velocity of light in two different media are 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second and 2.5 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So find the critical angle of media. Right? You know, here two velocities are given. So consider, so this is C, 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and second one C dash 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Right? You know the formula, N equal to C by C dash. Here C 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second by C dash 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So meter per second, meters per second. 10 power 8, 10 power 8 get cancelled. Now this is 2.5 by 2. Now it is written as 25 by 20. So 5 fours, 5 fives. Now refractive index we get 5 by 4. Now we want to find the critical angle. You know, N equal to 1 by sin C or sin C equal to 1 by N. So this is 1 by N, 5 by 4. Now it is written as reciprocal, 4 by 5. What is that? Sin C. Then C equal to sin inverse 4 by 5. So this is the critical angle of this media. C equal to sin inverse 4 by 5.